Hi friends, in this tip video we are going to see how to maintain your skin. To maintain your skin, you have to follow 3 steps. Number 1, cleansing. Number 2, toning. Number 3, moisturizer. What is cleansing? Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, makeup and impurities from skin. These steps prepare your skin for better absorption of skincare products. Number 2, toning. After cleansing, use a toner to balance your pH level and tighten your pores. Toner also help to remove cleansing traces. Number 3, moisturizer. Finish the routine by applying a suitable moisturizer that matches your skin type. Moisturizers help to lock in hydration, keep your skin soft. Apart from this, you have to follow some more things. Number 1, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Number 2, balanced diet. Eat a nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega 3 fatty acids to promote your skin healthy. Thank you.